Would you like to give us any feedback for our YouTube channel?
The way you are teaching in a very simple manner, in a very friendly manner, which is easy to understand with a simple example.
So, how
Yes,
did you
please.
find the SQL content, the topics which we have taken, how you felt?
Yeah, it is very much informative because you covered in a very precise manner, but all the topics which all the contents which I checked, like joins, how to join, these are the this comes in the daily routine task. What I observe, instead of covering a very big stuff, you took a very important. You can, as you said, that you cannot teach each and every topic, right?
Yeah.
So you took a very important topics from your whole SQL, which is 100% can be covered in the real time if you really work hard on that.
So, how did you find examples? Whatever we have given examples,
Very simple and easy to understand.
yeah. Exercises which we have given, are you able to do it with
Yes,
after
I
the?
did it independently. That's
Okay.
why I'm not asking doubts from that.
Oh, great, great. So,
Mostly, yeah.
yeah. From our side, the timing which we give it, the commitment from our side,
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Commitment.
punctuality.
It's good. Punctuality is very, very good.
Okay.
Understanding a complex queries, a very simple example. Yeah.
And also, we have given the PDF material for each topic. How useful is it?
Yeah, it is. Well, I practiced a lot from that. I got a lot of stuff from that.
Also, we are giving information how to go further after the
Further, yeah.
training. How do you improve other new topics
Yes,
on your own?
by giving the many like websites link. These websites are very helpful.
Previously, also you have seen and all those things. Now,
Yes, yes, yes.
now after the training, you
Now
are
it
seeing
makes
the.
sense. Now it makes sense.
Yeah, now it makes
Completely.
because you are good in fundamentals. Now you can understand whatever they are giving, whatever it on your own you can do it with very
Yeah,
easy.
on our own we can do it. But we can do it, but we should have a very good
Basic.
basic basic push,
Yeah.
which I got from this training.
Okay. Thanks a lot.